Srinivas from YSR Trade and Capex. Now we are seeing the gold analysis in daily. What's going on in daily? In daily, the market is in consolidation range. So we have to trade until it breaks upside or until it breaks downside. You have to wait and trade according to daily time frame. What is the high levels of daily is? High level of daily is 2685 and the bottom level to break is 2623. Now it is clear that until market breaks upside or downside, we have to wait in gold. So we have to wait in gold. Now according to 4 hours, what's going on in 4 hours? Now we are seeing in 4 hours. If the market, according to 4 hours also, if the market wants to break, it has a chance to break above 2685, that is all-time high. If the market wants to come down, 2623 is the level to break. And the another condition to go upside, if the market wants to break and come downside until 2593 and it has a chance to go upside. So you have to trade according to this condition. Or if the market wants to break the 2593 also, the next level is 2479. The another level is 2362. This is the liquidation range of 4 hours. So you have to trade accordingly and trade safe according to these 4 hour conditions.